Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in to bitcoin.com wallet account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your browser and you can type in bitcoin.com login or simply bitcoin.com. Then you will get this search result options. Now once you have got the official website, and in the bottom section you'll find this option of login right away. Go ahead, tap on it, and now it will simply open up the interface for you to log in. You can simply choose to type in your email right away. If you have Career account with, simply go ahead, try add that email, tap on continue with email, and you will be able to get logged in at once. But if in case you have used your Apple ID, you can tap on that as well, or your Google account, you can tap that as well, and that will simply directly open up your account and you're good to go. So in some case it might ask you to provide you some verification as well. Otherwise, this is it, guys. It will only ask you to provide your email address and the account that you hold. Once you've done that, you will be able to get logged in and use it however you like. So that is it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.